Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. A heat-safe pot, a clean glass jar, and a wooden skewer or cotton string are also essential. Don't forget optional food coloring and flavor extracts if you want to customize your candy. It's a fun and easy project for all ages. Now, let's prepare our supersaturated sugar solution. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's crucial that the solution becomes perfectly clear and transparent. Do not let it boil vigorously. Just a gentle simmer is enough to achieve the desired saturation. With your solution ready, carefully pour it into a clean glass jar. Now, for the magic, take your wooden skewer or string, slightly dampen it, and roll it in a little sugar to create seed crystals. Gently suspend this skewer into the solution, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom or sides of the jar. You can use a clothespin or tape to secure it across the jar's opening. Patience is key for this final step. Let your jar sit undisturbed for about 5 to 7 days. You'll see beautiful sugar crystals forming on your skewer. Once they've reached your desired size, carefully remove the rock candy from the solution and place it on parchment paper to dry completely. It's a sweet reward for your efforts. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.